Okay, good, good, good. You're gonna be the man if you can catch a blackfin, bro. Oh, that hit like a ton of bricks, dude. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh. This one's hit like a ton of bricks. Be a blackfin, baby. Be a blackfin, baby. Dude, look at my reel. Oh my gosh. This thing's got some freaking energy. This got to be a bonita. If this is a blackfin, this thing's huge.
There are definitely blackfin in there, though.
Yeah, keep going. Keep trying to catch one. Catch one. Crank my drag way down here. He is going nuts. Oh, he just swam at the boat. Come on. Come on. Be a football. Be a football. Be a freaking football, dude. Me wore out, man. These things will wear you out.
Oh, no.
Dude. Look at this. They're just ripping drag. If it wants to go, it just goes. These things are freaking giant. These bonita fight way better than the ledge bonita. Watch yourself. You're crossing me, dude. You switch sides here. He's up at the top of the water here. You can still reel. You can reel over me. I'll hold my pole like this.
I think.
Just don't get hooked up.
Bites.
Okay.
I don't want to smack it.
Yeah, just you got weeds on it,
Yeah,
so
I know.
you're gonna have to come up.
Good.
I'm just about ready to. Oh, I think. Come on, come here. Here, just reel in, dude. Reel in. Reel over me. There you go. Just reel in. There you go. You can't just keep it crossed over there. Oh my gosh. There's so many down there. They're staying together with them. I'm getting weeds on my pole. All right, I need to see what this guy is first. Oh, there's a shark. No wonder he's getting freaked. I told you I saw a shark. He's about to get sharked, dude. Ready? Let's watch this shark. Ready? I'm gonna let him get sharked. Watch this shark come up. Watch this. You should film this sucker. Come on, shark. That's why they're going nuts. He's about to get sharked.
Look, there he is.
Where's the shark? Where's the shark?
Right here.
Okay, come on, shark. I told you I saw a shark, man. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, shark. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, Sharky. Where's he at?
I don't know where he went.
Oh my gosh. Wore him out.